What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on a mobile job. It is early this morning. Got the sun, boom, blinding me right here in the eyes. Yes, we got the shades on, guys. Anyways, we're going on a mobile job today. We have two really nice motorcycles we're going to be detailing, guys. That's right, I do motorcycles. So I got to get going right now, guys, and I will see you guys out there. Just arrived here to the motorcycle details. We got our first one right here. This is an Indian Scout, and the Aprillo right here. This is a really cool bike. So now what we're doing today on these two motorcycles, guys, is we are doing pretty much a full detail with ceramic coating. We're gonna do some light paint correction here on the black Indian Scout. I got a lot of work ahead of me, guys. I'm gonna get to work here and check back in with you guys in a little bit. Whenever working on a motorcycle, I'd like to remove all the side bags and accessories from it. It makes my job a whole lot easier to access those tight, hard to reach areas such as the wheel and fender wells. Making great progress here on the bikes, guys. We're gonna be jumping in here just a quick second, polishing up here on the Indian Scout. It's all black paint, swirls and scratches. You see what we're up against here in a second. Now, quick thing to mention for any of you guys that are maybe detailing bikes or have done it in the past. These are really tricky compared to cars. There's a lot of tight areas that are hard to navigate, things like that here on the bike. So we're gonna be using pretty much a 1-inch, a 2-inch, and a 3-inch polisher for most of the areas of the bike. I don't think we'll be getting anything bigger, maybe on the gas tank a little bit, but I think pretty much a 3-inch would be fine for everything on there. On the Pearl over here, everything's really good on it. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work on the gas tank area, but other than that, it's pretty much really good shape, ready to go. When it came to the front fender well, I decided to go and remove it. Actually, just 4 simple bolts to pop it off. Then I had a nice little table to lay it on so I can actually polish it and do all the work here on the table. Without removing it, it's pretty much near impossible to fully polish it out. we are on the home stretch here on the two bikes, guys. The Indian Scout here is literally 100% polished out, ready to go. I'm gonna be prepping the surface here in just a quick second. On both bikes, we did some light polishing on the Aprilia right here. You guys notice the bikes have kind of been moved back and forth a little bit. That is because when you do wheels on a motorcycle, it's very, very difficult and very time consuming, probably one of the most time consuming parts of the motorcycle for cleaning it and to do it proper. On the Aprilia here, it's got the chain, and what happens a lot of times, you get sling from the chain lubrication on the wheel, and that's what we were dealing with here on the Aprilia. Quite time consuming process. This guy right here is actually a belt driven, so you're not going to get that lubricant sling from the chain, because it's not a chain, it's actually a belt. However, these wheels right here are very intricate, a lot of little details to them. Very time consuming piece here on the Indian, but it is time to prep this, the wheels, the bikes, the whole 9 yards. We're going to be using the Car Pro eraser for prepping it. Then we're getting into the ceramic coating. We are also, if you look right here, we're going to be ceramic coating all of the leather bags we have right here. We're going to clean them first, prepping them, coating them, and then coating all the paint, the wheels, the chrome on all the bikes right here. So the bikes, once they get done right here, they'll be good for probably several years. The way my client keeps their bikes, keeps them here in this nice, beautiful shop. Anyways, guys, getting back to the bikes here, coating them, and then we're doing some, of course, final glamour shots at the end, guys. So back to work for me. We are all finished up with the bikes here, guys. The bikes both turned out really, really amazing. I'm sure my client is gonna absolutely love them when she sees them. That's right, I said she is a lady that owns both these motorcycles right here. Anyways, these two bikes right here, everything turned out really, really nice on both of them. Full ceramic coating. The Indian probably had the major transformation compared to the two. The Indian definitely needed some love and a TLC. Wheels really, really complicated. We removed the fender on the bike here. All the bags and everything came off. A lot of little disassemblies with small stuff right in there, which basically allowed us to get in those really tight, intricate areas that really needed a good cleaning on there. So Indian's really touched up, looking really, really nice. The Pearl's looking really, really nice. We're going to roll those glamour shots here in just a quick second, guys. But first, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you guys are new here to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button, guys. It really helps me out. But with that being said, guys, I want to thank you guys again, and let's roll them glamour shots.